Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to delete face lock in Vivo phone. As you want to delete your face lock in Vivo phone, so why you can delete in this video guys, I will show you how to delete face lock. So guys, let's see how to delete face lock in Vivo phone. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys come on security setting. Then guys click on face lock. Enter your password guys. Then guys you can see clear physical data, so I tap here and guys click on ok and guys face lock will delete in your Vivo phone guys. After guys you can see add a face, so guys you can add face from this setting. So I think friends we have understood how to set face or how to delete face lock in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Sorry.